Check out the hairline. What lace?
All right, we're starting out jumping right into the unboxing, guys. Get into this package. It is giving luxury. It is giving Hermes. I absolutely love it. So shout out to Xrsbeauty for partnering with your girl to bring you guys this review. It came with a few extra goodies. You got a comb, you got some adjustable headband straps, you have an edge control comb, a stocking cap, and then some flexi rods. I absolutely love this orange box. I would definitely be keeping it. So the unit came in a bag where it is protected, and it also came with a net on it. You want to go ahead and take that off, and I'm just showing you guys kind of what the unit looks like straight out of the box, and so you can get a good idea of the construction. Let's start with this hairline. Look at that. It is already pre-plucked. It is already pre-bleached. It is so gorgeous, and it seamlessly blends into the skin. The cap also has a very generous full lace frontal. It also comes with 2 combs on each side for you to go ahead and make sure that it is secure. It has a comb at the crown. It also has a comb in the back at the nape, and it also has adjustable straps.
All right, now so let's get right into it. Right off the bat, I am super impressed with the hairline. It is plucked to perfection. The knots are bleached, and I mean, it's gorgeous, and it has a really large parting space, so you can get a really deep part out of this wig. And I think that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a really nice center part and just kind of like bone straight and slay the girls. I have not worn my hair straight in so long. Now XRS was kind enough to send me 3 samples of the lace that they provide. Again, this is the new clear lace, but they did send me a sample of the regular transparent lace and their brown lace for comparison. So I'm probably just going to do a quick swatch on my arm so that you guys can see the difference between the 3 different types of lace. And just off the bat, I can see that the lace grid on the clear lace, the grid is a lot smaller where the holes aren't as big. So I can see how to lay more seamless on the skin and just melt right in. So I'm super excited about this, but long. So I'm going to go ahead and probably braid my hair down. I am not going to do a ball cap method or anything like that. I want it to be a super simple, user-friendly install. So we're just gonna probably put our hair in like 4 braids, pull it back, put on the stocking cap. I also love that they sent me a brown stocking cap instead of a nude one, just because I prefer brown stocking caps over nude stocking caps, especially if you're not doing the ball cap method. Get you a brown stocking cap, sis. It's going to change your life. So let's go ahead and get this hair pulled back, and then I'll be right back with the sling. You guys, I was going to voice over the entire install, but I had to stop to say, look how crazy good this hairline is. It is plucked to perfection. Check out the hairline. What lace? Literally what lace. I've tried a many of lace wigs. You can always see the lace. You always like that lace is, but this is something different. This is definitely something new. So this is their straight clear lace wig. It's an 18 inches, 200% density with a 13x6 lace frontal, and this does come pre-plucked, pre-bleached. All you have to do is put her on. I'm shook, and I don't usually get shaken by hair because your girl done kind of reviewed a little bit of it all, but this is, I don't want to give y'all too much, but I do want to give you guys a special coupon code to get 15% off. The code will be right here on the screen. So if you are interested in this unit, please be sure to use that code because we all like to save a little bit of coins. Other than that, all the details on this unit will be in the description box. So that is it, dolls. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Listen, I absolutely love this unit. I know that some of these units can be pricey, but your girl is doing whatever she can to make sure she get y'all a little bit of coins off. So if you are interested in the unit, again, check the description box. I have the coupon code there if you missed it further on the screen. And also if there's any other deals that's coming up after this video goes live, I'll be sure to jump either in the comment section and pin the comment for any sales or deals, or I'll go ahead and update the description so that you guys are always up on the new and the now. So yeah, if you like this sort of content, if you like your girl, please do me a favor, go ahead and subscribe. It is free, and while you're there, hit the bell notification before you head out, and I'll see you dolls in my next video.